I'm Josh Block, president of Block Imaging, and today's video is focused on the 4 problems that people often have when they're choosing a refurbished equipment vendor. The first is working with a company that's specific to one manufacturer, and whether that's GE, Siemens, Philips, Toshiba, Hitachi, or so forth, is that their focus really becomes on selling a product rather than providing a solution from a clinical and economic perspective. And so our recommendation would be to pursue working with a vendor who's open, who's manufacturer neutral, and can really be objective about what type of product you should purchase for, again, the healthcare needs and also the budget constraints. The second piece that we work with a company that maybe has an inventory or a certain system available now, and yet the installation isn't happening till later this year, which leads to added storage expenses, or if it's sold, it potentially causes later delays. And so working with a company who's very, very transparent and also has a large and broad scope in terms of the equipment that's owned at any given time. The third problem is working with a company that doesn't have project management support. Is when a salesperson is walking through the installation and working with general contractors, oftentimes there are pieces that are missed that add a lot to the cost and to the timeline of the project. And so working with a project manager who really is carrying it through from beginning to end, applications training, working with general contractors on shielding and chillers and all of those sorts of things is found to be very, very worthwhile. The fourth problem is really having a narrow scope of the project, is not taking a look at the accessories, the injectors, the coils, the workstations, the service solutions and support, parts needs, is really working with a company that has, from beginning to end, your best interest in mind and really kind of a comprehensive view of what's needed. The Block Imaging team just considers it a privilege to not just provide equipment solutions, but really to look at the challenges that you're facing, the systems you're looking to upgrade, and helping provide solutions and walking side by side from start to finish. So thanks so much. Visit blockimaging.com for more information, and hope you have a great day.